Hello friends, my name is Rajveer and I will teach you about Bayes theorem. So before getting started with the Bayes theorem, we need to learn about total probability theorem. The total probability theorem states that when an event A is occur under the influence of the event B1, B2, B3 up to Bn, the probability in that case the probability of A is given by the probability of A is equal to P of B1 into P of A given B1 plus P of B2 into P of A given B2 plus P of B3 into P of A given B3 plus up to B of N into B of A given Bn. To understand better total probability theorem, let us take a question from exercise 13.3, question number 7. This question is changed as per the requirement to solve according to total probability theorem. So the question states that an insurance company insured 2000 scooter drivers, 4000 car drivers and 6000 truck drivers. The probability that the person meets with an accident is R 0.01, 0.03 and 0.15 respectively. One of the person is selected at the random meets with an accident. Find the probability that the person selected meets with an accident. So solution is like that. So we have what is the given over here. What is the A, which is P of A. P of A is that driver meets with an accident. And what are the other probability B1, B2, B3 are that there's a scooter driver meets with an accident, a car driver meets with an accident and truck driver meets with an accident. These are the B1, B2, B3s respectively. So what is the P of B1? P of B1 is 2000 upon 12,000. So you would be surprised from where this 12,000 come. It is the total of the insurance companies insured the vehicles, that is 2000 of scooters, 4000 of cars and 6000 of trucks, which total is 12,000. So P of B2 is 4000 upon 12,000, P of B3 is 6000 upon 12,000. So now let's find the P of A given B1. Here P of A given B1 means that a person selected meets with an accident and that person is a scooter driver, which means A given B1, which is 0.01, and then probability of A given B2 that a person meets with an accident is a car driver, of which probability R is 0.03, and P of A given B3, which means that a person meets with an accident, is a truck driver. The probability of it is 0.15. So now we will find the P of A, which is the driver meets with an accident, whether it is a scooter driver, a car driver or a truck driver. So according to total probability theorem, now we would put the values into the formula and we would get the final answer as 13 by 150. Now friends, you have got an idea about the total probability theorem. So let's solve the actual question of 13.3, question number 7, in which an insurance company insured 2000 scooter drivers, 4000 car drivers and 6000 truck drivers. Probability of an accident are 0.01, 0.03 and 0.15 respectively. One of the insured person meets with an accident. What is the probability that the person is a scooter driver? So here same. The solution is that the A is remains the same, that a person meets with an accident, and B1, B2, B3 remains the same, that B1 is the scooter driver meets with an accident, B2 the car driver meets with an accident, and B3 that the truck driver meets with an accident. And there are probability, there are P of B1, P of B2, P of B3 and P of A given B1, P of A given B2 and P of A given B3 remains the same. Here the question is asked that what is the probability that a person meets with an accident is a scooter driver. In the earlier question it was that what is the probability that driver meets with an accident, whereas here uh, P of B1 is specified that what is the probability that a scooter driver meets with an accident. After that, we have to write a statement that it is given that a person meets with an accident, probability that the person is a scooter driver. So according to the Bayes theorem, here its formula is B1 probability P of B1 given A is equal to P of B1 into P of A1 given B1 upon P of A. So here you can substitute the direct value of P of A earlier which we solved in the question, or else you can apply the same formula upon on the denominator. So here the answer, putting upon the values in the formula, we would get the answer 1 by 52. So the probability that a person meets an accident is a scooter driver is 1 by 52. So now you have got the idea about the Bayes theorem and total probability theorem.